good morning to everybody. I am SN Singh. Today we are going to talk about the types of chemical reaction, especially redox reaction. It means oxidation and reduction reaction. At first I would like to discuss with you as an oxidation reaction. See the definition cautiously. The addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen is called an oxidation reaction. Just try to understand the oxidation reaction. The addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen is called oxidation reaction. This can be cleared with the help of two examples. See here. Hydrogen reacts with oxygen to form water. See the first chemical reaction. How can we have H2? This hydrogen reacts with oxygen to form water. But how can we have H2? Oxygen is added to hydrogen to get water. When oxygen is added to hydrogen, then we will get H2O. So this reaction is oxidation reaction. To hydrogen, oxygen is added. In which substance oxygen is added is said to be oxidation reaction. In first reaction, in hydrogen, oxygen is added to get water. So oxidation of hydrogen takes place. See the second part of the definition, removal of hydrogen. In the second reaction, hydrogen sulfide reacts with chlorine to form hydrogen chloride and sulfur. See this equation cautiously. How can you have sulfur? How can you have sulfur from hydrogen sulfide? So by removing hydrogen we can have sulfur. So in which substance hydrogen is removed? So from hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen is removed. So in which substance hydrogen is removed? The oxidation reaction takes place. So in second reaction, hydrogen is removed from hydrogen sulfide. In second reaction, hydrogen is removed from hydrogen sulfide. So in hydrogen sulfide, oxidation reaction takes place. So, students, it is very clear that in the first case, oxygen is added to hydrogen. So, oxidation of hydrogen takes place. And in the second case, hydrogen is removed from hydrogen sulfide. So, oxidation of hydrogen sulfide takes place. Now, we are going to discuss about reduction reaction. Students, the addition of hydrogen, see here. The addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen is known as reduction reaction. Just try to understand, the addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen is said to be reduction reaction. This definition can be clarified with the help of these two examples. See the first example, hydrogen reacts with chlorine to form hydrogen chloride. In the first reaction, hydrogen, how can you have HCl? How can you have HCl? So by adding hydrogen to chlorine, we can get HCl. So addition of hydrogen takes place here. So in chlorine, reduction takes place. Just try to understand. Hydrogen reacts with chlorine to get HCl. How can you have HCl? Hydrogen is added to chlorine. So in chlorine, hydrogen is added. So reduction of chlorine takes place. So this is an example of addition of hydrogen. Now come to the removal of oxygen. When cupric oxide reacts with hydrogen, it forms H2O and copper. How can you can have Cu from CuO, but how can you have Cu copper? By removing oxygen from cupric oxide. Just try to understand. Cupric oxide to copper, I have marked. But how can you have copper? By removing oxygen from cupric oxide, we can get copper. So, from cupric oxide, oxygen is removed. So, reduction of cupric oxide takes place. And it is clear that the addition of hydrogen is reduction and removal of oxygen is reduction. Now we are going to discuss redox reaction. It's very important reaction. According to the name of this redox reaction, it means oxidation and reduction. At first, see the definition of redox reaction. The chemical reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously is called redox reaction. What does it mean simultaneously? It means reaction takes place neck to neck. In this reaction, both oxidation and reduction takes place together. So this reaction is said to be redox reaction. This can be cleared with the help of these two examples. See first one. This hydrogen and oxygen react to form water. In the first reaction, oxygen is added to hydrogen to get water. So oxidation takes place. As you know, according to the definition of the oxidation, the addition of oxygen is said to be oxidation. In the first case, oxygen is added to hydrogen to get water. So in hydrogen, oxidation takes place. In the other hand, O2 is also related to water. How can you have from what? Oxygen to water? Hydrogen is added to oxygen to get water. So according to definition of the reduction, we can tell the reduction of oxygen takes place to get H2O. Just try to understand, addition of hydrogen is oxidation and addition of hydrogen is reduction. In the first equation, these two conditions are satisfied. In the second case, in the second equation, see it cautiously. See here, when cupric oxide reacts with hydrogen, we can have water and copper. How can you have water from cupric oxide? So oxygen is removed from cupric oxide to get copper. According to the definition of reduction, when oxygen is removed, reduction takes place. So in the case of cupric oxide, reduction takes place. According to definition of oxidation, addition of oxygen is said to be oxidation. Hydrogen is also related with water. So in this case, oxygen is added to hydrogen to get water. So oxidation of hydrogen takes place here. And thank you very much.